Okay.
Is it on right now?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Alright, wait, I'll put a little more.
Okay, good. Alright.
Wait, is this...
I'm over drinking the
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, Maggie. That's about a shot,
Yeah.
isn't it? Yeah.
That's
Is that all of it anyways?
Yeah, that's about all of it. Okay, so, update. We are in a hotel room drinking Cointreau. Is that Italian or French?
Cointreau. There we go.
I have to
Cointreau.
sneeze. Wait. Oh god. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I think I have to sneeze again.
Okay, go.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
What the heck? Okay. Just ignore that.
Alright.
I think it's coming again.
Oh my god, Maggie.
Wait, just...
Not on the pants.
I think it's... No, wait. Okay, I think it's good to...
Constipated, you're like,
I have to blow my nose. I'll be right back.
okay, you blow your nose.
Okay.
Why are you sneezing?
I don't know.
Maybe you're allergic. Are you allergic to orange? No, what's wrong?
Wait. Okay, I'm good. I'm good now.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Okay, good. Okay, let's sit.
Why? Okay.
Oh my god.
Alright. We
Okay.
should get some chasers.
What are those?
Things you drink after you take a shot to make it taste better.
Oh, okay, like
I
what?
sneezed again, I'm gonna sneeze again.
Oh my god.
Okay. I'm okay. Seriously.
You're gonna make me cry, Maggie. Okay.
Okay.
I have peach stuff. Or no,
Alright.
Coke.
I have
Okay.
Coke.
Wait, Coke. Okay, I've got peach stuff.
What the heck?
Something's wrong, Maggie.
How many times have I said like 10? Alright, so, okay. We are drinking orange Italian liquor.
You okay?
Wait. Why am I saying
Something wrong. Okay, what's in the air?
love? Okay. Alright. To Italy. I'm crying. An Italian boys.
Okay. Alright.
You at the same time. Ready? Go.
Okay, here we go.
Go. Oh my god. That tasted really
That
good.
tastes really good.
That was delicious.
And the peach mix with it was really good.
That was so good. What is that? That is delicious.
Yeah, film it so you can look back at it.
Reminds me of orange tortuga.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Alright. That was a good video.
That was. We have to go talk to the manager and find out if there's a tattoo place anywhere near here.
Yes.
Okay.